Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2024 Mitsubishi ASX stock number 6683. This ran from the 7th 2013 to the current shape. It has a 4B11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is a 4B11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door has a crease, right front door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,